Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is link your Gcash account to your PayPal account. To do this, open the Gcash app and tap on your profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, go to the My Linked Accounts section and select PayPal from the list of options. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page, where you need to log in and confirm the link between your accounts. Once your accounts are successfully linked, keep in mind that Gcash does not currently allow direct transfers from Gcash to PayPal. However, you can transfer money from PayPal to Gcash. To do that, open your Gcash app, tap the Cash In button at the top of the screen, then choose Global Banks and Partners. From the list, select PayPal. If your PayPal account is already linked, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction, and the funds will be moved from PayPal to your Gcash wallet, usually within a few minutes. And that's how you can connect and move money between your Gcash and PayPal accounts.